Isn't Mawson Lake stunning? It's just so good. And Tim's joining us now. And Tim, you look mighty relaxed up there at Stirling.
Well, it was a pretty hot day, but a classic property, an absolute ripper.
Don't you love these gorgeous, gorgeous homes that we're looking at?
Oh, very lucky.
Now, time for a couple of questions. We are out of time, but we want to run just a couple of these questions since you have taken the time to email us. What happens if no one bids at an auction? Will the auctioneer put in a vendor bid, and will it be the reserve price? Tim?
Good question. It's going to vary obviously on every occasion, and a lot's got to do with what the owner wants to achieve out of a situation like that. Most often a vendor bid below the reserve price is going to be the go, and sometimes one to position the property higher adjacent to where we'd like to sell the property.
And one phone call coming in. Hello there.
G'day, how are you?
Good. Who are we speaking to?
It's Tom.
Oh, how you going, Tom?
Yeah, good, thanks.
And you've got a question for us.
I do. Look, I've got a mate who lives overseas, and he's thinking about investing here in Adelaide, the property market here. Got friends here, and he thinks it's pretty stable. So, what would your advice be for him looking to buy here?
Is he an Australian citizen?
Yes, his partner is from overseas. So, but he's originally from here, but thinking of investing here. Maybe move back sometime down the track, but looking to buy here at this stage and
Okay,
where he is.
Okay, Tom. Well, assuming that moving back from overseas. I'm assuming that they perhaps are younger, so if we work on the basis that that's the case, certainly the market is stable at the moment. A good time to buy, I think. The interest rates remain fairly low, regardless of any little fluctuations we might see over the next little while. Some of the places that I would be suggesting that they buy would be near city, and if we follow that theme of a smaller home, perhaps two-bedroom cottages and the like. Townhouses are good, and perhaps as a something out of left field, if you like, maybe down around the Port Semaphore Way is an area that's worth having a look at as well.
Oh, okay. Now, I'm not too sure with partner coming across and that sort of thing with buying from overseas. You've got your salespeople be able to help with advice on whether or not they can buy here or what steps they need to take coming from overseas.
Tom, I think if you can hold the line, we'll pick up your call shortly just after the program, get some details from you, and we can absolutely help you.
No worries. Excellent. Cheers.
Thanks for calling. If you can just hold the line for us, that'd be great.
Cool.
Now, Tim, thanks for joining us today.
Pleasure.
We're kind of running the clock down pretty much, so we need to keep moving. And don't forget, we're live and interactive, and each week, and be sure to email us so your questions can be brought up. But before we go, some great properties that have hit the market this week.